Hong Kong. Physical map. Hong Kong is one of the two SAR of China. It is located on the south coast of China with the Pearl River Delta and the South China Sea surrounding it. And also, it is an advanced city with mature transportation system. These factors make Hong Kong a densely populated city with a population density of 6,682.5 people per square kilometer. Population distribution and density. It has a land area of 1,104 square kilometers, with the population of 7,377,521, which means the population density of Hong Kong is 6,682.5 people per square kilometers as of November 2017. We can see from the table, there's 50% of Hong Kong population is distributed in the new territories. 30.3% of population is distributed in Kowloon. Only 70.5% of population is distributed in Hong Kong Island. Population patterns. When the British force formally took over Hong Kong in 1841, the population was 7,541. A century later, the figure officially stood at 1,600,000. This figure fell to 500,000 in 1945, following the Battle of Hong Kong. However, ever since then, the population has steadily increased, culminating in its current figure. Large numbers of Chinese immigrated to Hong Kong in 1850s due to the Taiping Rebellion. Several natural disasters such as floods, typhoons, and famine led to many people moving to Hong Kong to escape the disasters. Despite the 60,000 Chinese leaving Hong Kong in 1914 due to the fear of attack on their colony, the population increased to 530,000 in 1916 to 725,000 in 1925 to 1.6 million in 1941. The birth rate is decreasing slightly every year, and Hong Kong is now in stage 4 of the demographic transition model. The death rate is increasing over time because the economy is falling and people don't have enough money to treat themselves. Fatality rate is decreasing over time because better healthcare and the improvement of the technology. The infant mortality rate in 2017 in Hong Kong is 1.59 deaths per 1,000 live births, which is very low due to the advanced technology. Life expectancy. Hong Kong is the territory with the world's highest life expectancy according to Hong Kong Department of Health. The life expectancy reached 84.0 years in 2015, surpassing Japan's 83.7 years. Population pyramids. As we can see, the Hong Kong population pyramid has the constructing type. This type of pyramid is more common in highly developed countries like Japan and Germany, with low birth rate and death rates. Usually, countries with such kind of population age distribution model have long life expectancy, high level of education, and good health care. Also, in Hong Kong, people stop giving birth because of high cost of living in the city and a high pressure to raise a child. Immigration from mainland China. Since the 1997 handover to China, that is the increasingly increase in the immigration of Mandarin speakers. Most of the immigrants live in Kowloon, from a big Mandarin speaking area, which will make more mainland immigrants choose to live in Kowloon. Land area analysis. As we can see from this graph, more than 60% of land area in Hong Kong is undeveloped. Public residential area only takes up 1.4% land area in Hong Kong, which makes housing extremely expensive and unaffordable for most of the citizens in Hong Kong. Due to the culture concept, people won't get married and give birth before owning a house. This will lower the birth rate and the marriage rate, which later dedicated to the aging population of Hong Kong. Problems and multiple point solution. The first problem is too much of undeveloped land makes buying a house and a house rent extremely expensive. The extremely expensive life brought stress to people, which caused them to marry late and have children late, or even don't give birth to children. Other problem is that the center of the city is too crowded. Multi-point plan. First, increase land reclamation and build more housing area so the houses can be more affordable. And people don't have to live in the center of the city, which make the center of the city less crowded. Second, encourage people to have at least one child and marry earlier. It can be achieved by giving bonus to people who give birth to the first child and by reducing the test from people who get married under 30.